Next one is when you do modulation, you will be having in phase and quadrature phase. So that signal is given here actually, but that variable V is missing. So you know in phase signal means the real component. The cos is going to be the in phase signal, and the sine is going to be your quadrature phase signal. Okay, so that is going to be the in phase and quadrature phase signal. So I'll just try to get what is V. So V is going to be your signal. So from V only, I'm going to find what is the in phase component and quadrature phase component. I'll just see if the code for V is there so that I can type it here so that we can visualize what is the in phase and quadrature phase signal. If it is not there, not an issue. Understand that any modulation can be carried out in MATLAB. Anything can be carried out in MATLAB. So I'll just revert this code to the previous thing so that I don't disturb the code. And we need V. Just a second, I'll get you what is V. I am not getting it. Let's see here. This one, these two things, I'll send you the code for in phase and quadrature phase. You know, right? Whenever you have an IAM demodulation, you will be getting both in phase and quadrature phase appropriately. If you add or subtract these signals, you'll get back a message signal. So in phase is going to represent your real term. See, that's what it is given plot of real. And quadrature phase is going to be the imaginary term. So when you plot these two signals together, you will clearly be able to visualize how the signals are going to overlap. Now, next one, I'm going to see how I'm going to generate a pulse. And here also it depends on V. Okay, so I will try to say what is V. I'll try to decode what is V. That is the next chapter.